Hey kids, what are you doing?
Nothing.
Kylo, what do you say?
Thank you.
Dude, but it's, yeah, shake it out. It's after 4th of July. Bam, look at that thing, that's sick. You got one too? I wish I could grow one. Jackson, how you feeling this morning?
Good.
Solid. Dude, these things look sick.
You gonna do some racing on there?
Possible.
Are you racing this?
Burp.
Hey, Will.
Devin Sandridge, ladies and gentlemen. Hola. Girls, he is single. How you doing? That's some bike maintenance.
It's not maintenance, it's a blow.
What kind of bike is this?
A DK Zenith.
A DK Zenith?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that what Zenith? Just in case you guys thought he was whining, and DK for don't know. Good thing he has the Maxxis tires on for the mud bog today. Hey, what did you want to tell that one lady that you saw yesterday? What was her name?
Hey, wrong seat plant. So funny.
Hey, when you take those off too, you gotta double check it.
I haven't put air.
No, I'm just kidding.
I want to wear goggles now.
There's the wolf machine. Ew, whose bike? We gotta clean this.
That's the chalk. That's from this morning.
That's yours.
Chalk line from this morning.
Hey, dirty bikes, robbing horsepower.
Hey,
We'll
she
clean
gets
it up.
done.
We'll clean it up. We got the team manager.
What's up? Sweating like a church.
Now I gotta edit that.
Ready? Watch the gate.
Pressure 163, but I can see it. That looks like GME.
Get her, Graham, get her!
Yep, that's Kpop right there. Hey, we got a Graham in All right, 7, intermediate.
Ready? Watch the gate.
6 intermediate, number 27. get steak?
I don't know. Watch that.
Like forward.
Do I get it?
Great job.
Do I get it?
What?
Do I get the steak?
Let me think about it.
Riders, ready. Watch the gate.
That's 206, Daniel Hammett.
I don't know. They went down hard up.
Ben.
Yeah, dude, he's down hard.
They got pitched up.
Riders,
down the last
ready.
turn.
Watch the gate.
Heading back to the